Hey guys, what's up? This is just going to be a quick review on my Alienware keyboard, and I'm just going to get straight to the point. This is made by Logitech and it's redesigned by Alienware. These extra buttons on the side here, you can hotkey to do whatever you want. Also it has sets, so set 2 you can hotkey it to do different things, then set 1 and so on, set 3, set 4. It has a slider over here. The slider helps you not log out of games by accident, or tab out of games I should say. So if you try to press the Windows key while you're in a game, it will not work, and that is awesome because on Battlefield 3 I always do that. And another thing, this keyboard can synchronize to your games, or it can synchronize to your PC. The colors can synchronize to changing to whatever color you change your Alienware computer to. If you're about to die in a game, it will blink red at you, and when you're spawning, it'll turn white. It has a media player over here, back, forth, stop, play, pause, lower volume, higher volume, a mute key. And that is pretty much it for the gaming aspects of it. I got it free from Dell. I got it because they screwed up on something, so they gave it to me for free. Also, I've had no problems with this keyboard, but I've read on reviews that other people have, such as the lights stopped working after 6 months. I don't know what that's about, but it's probably a defect, but mine has been fine for the last 2 years. Another thing, it takes up 2 USB slots in your PC, so once for the lighting, once for the keyboard itself. And overall, it really is an awesome keyboard, and I definitely recommend it. And here, let me do some color changing for you. We're going to change it to green. And it has different shades of green. This is more like a yellow green. If you really want it green, that would be green. You could change it to red, or that's more of an orange. But purple, let's do purple. It would look so much better if I had a better camera, but this is all I can afford for now. You can also make it just regular, go dark, and you can go light. I'm going to do white this time. And back to my normal color. There's a ton of different colors you can change to, so like I said, it really is an awesome keyboard, not just because of lighting effects, but because of the media controller over here and the hotkeys. And that is really helpful because I have this opening to calculator, I have this opening to a web page, I have this opening to another program, and so on. So that's it, guys.